Are you tired of endlessly swiping through pages to find your apps? In this video, I will show you a simple iPhone trick to organize your apps using folders. First, you want to find the app you want to include in a group. Now go ahead and tap and hold on that app icon until all the icons begin to wiggle. Next, you want to drag the app and drop it on top of another app. Now, in the same way, you can add however many apps you want in that folder. Once that is done, tap on the Done option at the top right corner. Now go ahead and open up your app. At the top, you have the app name. Tap and hold on that. Now if you want to change it, go ahead and give it a name. Then tap on this checkmark option. Now you can drag as many apps you want in this folder and it will be added instantly. If you want to remove any apps, then all you want to do is open up the folder, long press on that app and then drag it outside the folder. Then tap on Done. In this way, you can easily make app folders on iPhone, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.